How to activate First Republic debit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to activate your First Republic debit card. So to activate a First Republic debit card, you can use the First Republic mobile app or online banking or an ATM as well. So if you are using mobile app, just make sure you have already logged into your account to access your mobile app using your login credentials, and just locate the section for card management or a card activation, where this may be under your account cards or similar category. And after that, the app or website will guide you through the remaining steps, which may include verifying your identity and selecting a new PIN. So if you are looking for an ATM method, you will need to insert your card, enter your PIN, and follow the prompts to activate and set a new PIN. You can also call First Republic customer service at their website to activate your card and establish a PIN according to their website. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.